everyone, today we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, the latest foldable phone from Samsung. It's been making wave with something exciting upgrades. So let's dive into it. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is rumored to have a bigger 3.9-inch cover screen, making it the largest in its category. Plus, it's accepted to feature a powerful 50MP primary camera for better photos. There is also talk of new AI feature. On concern with foldable phones is battery life due to their smaller size. But fear not. The Z Flip 6 reportedly come with two larger batteries, one with 1097 mAh and the other with 2790 mAh, totaling 3887 mAh combined capacity. This should give it a longer battery life compared to its predecessors, the Z Flip 5. We are expecting Samsung Z Flip 6 sometime this summer, likely around July. With all the buzz around, it is definitely something to look forward. This is all, guys. Stay tuned for the more updates as we get closer to the official launch. Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.